Eterna Pets, a pet cremation service in Santiago, Chile, had chosen Addfield as their supplier of choice for their pet cremation needs, despite having suppliers closer to home. Owned and operated by husband and wife team, Rodrigo and Dr. Catalina, Eterna Pets provides an excellent individual pet cremation service. Dr. Catalina's background as a veterinarian provides her with extensive experience in working with pet owners and fully understanding the bonds that are formed between owners and their pets. She focuses on the daily running of the individual crematorium service, ensuring all owners receive certified and documented individual cremations, while her husband takes care of the more unique side of the business. While the majority of the pet crematoriums that Addfield supplies to only offer individual pet cremations with either the PET 200 or one of the A50 IC range, in some instances, pets don't always have owners that have the desire or ability to opt for an individual cremation. In these instances, they hand the pets over to vets to dispose of. In addition to this, veterinary hospitals, dog homes, cat homes, and other charitable organizations also have a number of pets that need to be respectfully disposed of without the means to manage this. In situations like this, bulk pet cremation is often the best option, and for these projects, the Addfield A50L is often the most commonly selected machine. Eterna Pets has been providing pet cremation services in Chile for 10 years, supplying individual cremations. For 7 years, Eterna Pets worked together with the crematorium of the Faculty of Veterinary and Livestock Sciences of the University of Chile, providing bulk services. Addfield was not the first machine that they had, but after only a few years, the cremator that was supplied by a local manufacturer began to fail and smoke, unable to provide the quality that they required. That machine is now relegated purely to small animals and cats. All Addfield machines are built with longevity in mind, and when used correctly, serviced regularly, and properly maintained, will continue to deliver the same quality results for over 20 years. Due to their local experiences, Dr. Catalina and Rodrigo were willing to look a little further from home for their supplier and discovered Addfield. After carefully reviewing their range of solutions and reviewing their options with Addfield's native Spanish-speaking South American representative Eduardo Sierra Torres, it was agreed that the A50L would be able to deliver the throughput that they would require in a smoke and odor-free manner. Although they chose Addfield for its world-renowned best of British build quality, their next concern was installation and commissioning, and this is where Addfield's international network of distributors and approved engineers helped. This installation, like many in South America, was expertly managed by David Lijo and his team, who were able to take the couple through all of the operational requirements alongside basic maintenance to ensure that they were always able to keep the machine in optimal condition. The installation has been so successful that they only need to operate the cremator 2 days a week on average and are able to cremate an average of 90 dogs in this time securely. This not only saves them a lot of time but also a lot of money in fuel, especially as the construction of Addfield, combining a triple-layered refractory and thickened steel construction, achieves a saving of 40% compared to most competitors. The A50L is a cremation machine specifically designed to handle large numbers of household pets, from small rabbits to large dogs. Its oversized loading chamber makes it easy to load and operate, while the optimized data logging control system simplifies daily operations. Once the cremation is complete, all ashes can be easily removed through the front loading door. While their old South American cremator struggled to handle the wide variety of pets in a single load, leading to smoking when cremating dogs due to their higher fat content. Now, however, the A50L solves this problem thanks to its advanced distribution of heat achieved through a specially constructed primary chamber. All gases then travel through a secondary chamber designed specifically to ensure that only clean, smoke-free and odor-free gases are released back into the environment. This is achieved through additional heating and a minimum of 2 seconds of retention time. Dr. Catalina and Rodrigo were impressed not only with the efficiency and quality of the A50L but also with the support and after-service that they received from Addfield. So pleased that they ordered a second machine for more traditional services. Eterna Pets is a fantastic pet crematorium that provides an essential service. With the help of Addfield, they are now doing so much more efficiently and sustainably.